Have you ever wanted to enjoy food in the class, but the teacher always busts you? Well, no more. We'll show you the ways how to overcome all obstacles and enjoy your delicious food in class while no one notices. During class, it can be hard surviving without your favorite gum. Probably you already know that chomping on your gum can be super easy. Yes, finally, my favorite flavor. Oh no, Sophie noticed it, and it's my last piece. Would you please be a good friend and pass me some gum? That's what I thought. She ate my last piece. If you're in need of a gum disguise, it can be right on your table. If you have a box of highlighter lying around, grab a blade and cut off its plastic tip. Next, apply some glue on the end of your favorite gum pack and stick it to the top of the highlighter. If you can print the highlighter's logo on its corresponding color, you've got yourself a secret gum dispenser. No one will ever know that while you're studying, you're indulging in your favorite gum. Did she just eat something? Maybe it's just me. Success! She didn't even notice it. That's because it's all stashed in Sophie's highlighter. Where did I put my scissors? It's not here. And not even here. Oh look, a retractable blade. No, you can't take that one. Instead, take this one. Well, okay, but what's the deal, Emma? Emma is hiding candy in her retractable blade. Take a sour strip like this and cut it right in the middle to make it more slim. And cut the end on a slant like this. On the side of the flat edge, make a hole. Once you put it aside, get a retractable blade like this and remove the bottom. Once you do that, the blade piece should slide right out. Then you replace the blade with sour candy and slide it back in and secure the bottom piece back on. Now instead of a retractable blade, it's retractable candy. Sneaky and delicious as it should be. That's amazing! I need to get one of these. Oh yes! I can't wait till I get a hold of this in my mouth. Delicious as always. What's that? Is there someone eating candy during my class? Well, no more. Hand it over, Emma. You know you can't eat during class. Oh no, I'm busted. Emma, you will get us all in trouble. What have you been thinking? Oh, I'm sorry. I completely forgot about our class rules. Don't be sad, Emma. Sophie knows some ways how you can hide food in class. Put one of your binders onto your desk. Find a clear sleeve and fill it with candy. Open the metal rings and put the sleeve into your binder. You can add as many sleeves as you want. That's how Sophie keeps herself unnoticed from the teacher. Can I have some? Quick, have some while the teacher is not watching. Even the new teacher can't make us get rid of old habits. Chewing in class was always a tradition. Emma's got bubble gum. Emma, stop! We're not sure of the teacher's possible reaction. This is why we use a secret bubblegum holder. Coat a tape dispenser with an acrylic paint. Put a paper ring onto a holder and put the gum on the strip around it. Put the dispenser back on and take out the gum. See? My gum is hidden nicely. The teacher won't even notice it. Just grab a gum instead of a tape. Quick, the teacher is coming. Act natural. Success! She didn't even notice. Mary seems a bit cautious. What's she up to? Is she planning to glue something? Geez, are you eating your glue, Mary? Stop it, that's wrong. You want to try some of it? It's delicious. Heck no, I'm not eating glue. Try it, trust me. Well, it smells funny. Actually smells like candy. That's delicious. To hide candy like Mary did, you'll need an empty glue stick and just simply pour your favorite flavor jelly inside. Now instead of a glue stick, you have your favorite fruit jelly inside. Oh my God, it's so delicious! I could eat this forever! Sometimes it's very hard to survive a class without any snacks. Is Emma chewing something? Emma, are you not telling me something? Where did you get your snacks from? Shh! Sophie, be quiet! Don't get us noticed by the teacher. I got it right here. Have an empty Pringles can? Outline a cutout like this and cut it out with a blade. Disguise it with your favorite color. Now it should look like a pencil tin. Fill it up with your favorite snack. Nice choice. Still have a lid? Cut it off its ridge and drop it like it's hot. This way your pencils can sit on top. Pretty cool, isn't it? Wow, that's so smart, Emma! Just open your pencil tin and voila! Sneaky snacks! Bon appetit, Sophie! Sneaking food is never easy, but with these tips, you can survive your school days without any difficulties. Let us know in the comments section what ways you'll take on sneaking food into your class. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to Wizard School.